नमस्कारम एंड वेलकम टू ऑल द गॉर्जियस लेडीज। स्वागत है आपका हमारे आज के एपिसोड में, जो कि है ब्यूटीफुल कड़ी जॉर्जेट एंड बंधनी साड़ीज के बारे में। Today's episode is going to be very exciting because I will be showing you sarees in such bright color combinations, and as you can see, these sarees fall so well and so beautifully on your body, giving you a lovely structure. So ladies, before further delay, let me first show you the saree that I'm wearing right now. This one is a gorgeous yellow color Kadi Georgette saree which has florals and leaves jal on the body in gold zari. We have threadwork detailing inside the florals in green, pink and red colors, giving it a bright look, making the design pop even more. And the border has florals and paisley jal in gold zari with cross lines. Let me show you the beautiful pallu for the saree, which has florals and leaves jal over it in gold zari. And the saree has a very beautiful self blouse in yellow color. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ278. Weaver's price is 12,800 rupees, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now before moving on to next beautiful saree from today's collection, ladies, let me ask what colors you want to see. What are your favorite colors? Let me know your answers in the comment section down below. That way I will be able to show you more of your favorites and you can place more and more orders from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Moving on to the next one. This one is a lovely classic combination of green with red, and this one is a bandhani saree. So bandhani is the type of weave where small dots are picked from the fabric and then they are knotted very tightly, and then the saree is dyed. So that's how you get these dots all over the body. We have floral buttis in zari. The border in red color has florals and leaves jal and cross lines. We also have temples, and all this is beautiful gold zari work. And let me now show you the pallu, which has floral buttis over it. So we have huge floral buttis in gold zari. The saree has a gorgeous contrasting blouse in red color which has floral buttis in gold zari over it. And to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ321. Weaver's price is 8,800. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Dear ladies, I hope you're having an amazing morning, and I hope you're enjoying today's collection with a cup of coffee, with a cup of tea, and I hope you're going to place lots and lots of orders from today's episode, because as you can already see and as you will see in future also, that today's collection is so bright, it's so beautiful, and I'm going to show you very unique style sarees. These sarees are perfect for all age groups, people who want to experiment with their wardrobe and people who want to add something new. I think this is the day that you can buy these lovely sarees from today's collection. Moving on to the next one. This one is a beautiful color, navy blue color saree, and on the body of this one we have bandhani dots, elephants and parrots in checks. Very bright and beautiful work is there, colorful work is there. And here's the border, which has florals. We have peacocks and diamonds, we have deers and diamonds. And here's the lovely pallu, which has peacocks, parrots and florals in diamonds. Let me now show you the beautiful self blouse for the saree, which has bandhani dots over it. And to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BV793. Weaver's price is 21,560, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Our next beautiful saree is for a very beautiful customer, Miss Pranita ji, who wants to see a lovely pink saree. Let me first tell you, it's a very beautiful choice that you have, and let's have a look at this beautiful saree, which is specially for you. On this gorgeous pink saree, we have bandhani dots with elephants, florals, and these are in geometrical shapes, so you can see a lovely pattern all over the body. There's gold zari work. The border has florals and peacocks with parrots and diamonds. Such colorful work is there on a beautiful pink border. And here's the pallu, which has florals, elephants and peacock buttis with bandhani dots. The sari has a lovely silk blouse which has bandhani florals over it, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BV713. Weaver's prices 21,560. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to the next beautiful sari, and this one is such a lovely color. It's a sea green color, Banarsi Georgette sari. On the body of this lovely sari, we have temples in cross lines with zari. So you can see all this work is in silver zari. It's looking extremely bright, very lovely, very fantastic on the sea green body, giving it a beautiful shine. And the border has cross lines and temples in silver zari. Let me now show you the pallu, which has kadi over it, again in silver zari. And a very pretty silk blouse, because the color and the design is very simple and very beautiful too. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BQ480. Weaver's price is 11,200. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now, before moving on to next gorgeous sari, ladies, let me just remind you that we provide global courier service, and no matter in which part of the world you are sitting when you place an order for our saris, we will deliver them to you in no time, and cash and delivery option that is only available in Hyderabad. Moving on to next gorgeous sari, and this one is again a very beautiful bandhani sari. It's a wine color sari with forest theme and bandhani dots on the body. So you can see that we have florals and leaves jal in gold zari, and then the birds, the elephant, peacocks, deers are in pink, peach and green color. The border has gold zari work. We have floral jal with deers and peacocks. So deers and peacocks are in green, peach and pink color again. And here is the pallu, which has peacocks, elephants and florals with bandhani dots. Let's have a look at the beautiful silk blouse for this very beautiful sari, which has bandhani florals over it. And to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BV720. Weaver's price is 19,624, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to next gorgeous sari, let me just wish a very good morning to our very dear customer, Miss Bhakshika ji. I'm so glad to have you here watching our today's episode from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Please stay tuned till the end of this episode, because I have many more beautiful saris to show to you. Let me now show you the next one now. Here's such a beautiful sari in green and purple color, and on the body we have zari lines in gold. Our border has elephants and peacocks with florals and checks. Lovely gold zari work is there. We also have paisleys in boxes and diamonds and checks. And here's the contrasting pallu, which has elephants and floral jal over it. Let's have a look at the beautiful contrasting blouse for this very beautiful sari. And to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BR522. Weaver's price is 8,800. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to our next gorgeous sari from today's collection of Banarsi Georgette and bandhani saris. So this one is a Kadi Georgette sari, and let's have a look at the details. It's in peach and maroon color, and we have peacocks and floral buttis in zari checks. This work is in silver zari, and it's contrasting beautifully. The border in maroon color has leaf jal, peacocks with elephants, florals and leaf jal. And then we have florals and cross checks, again in silver zari. Here is the pallu, which has elephants and peacocks and floral jal in silver zari over it. It's a contrasting pallu. And we have a very beautiful contrasting blouse too. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BT780, Weaver's price is 8,800. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next sari, ladies, let me just ask you, what colors are your favorite colors? When you tell me your answers in the comment section down below, I will be able to show you more of your favorites corresponding to your favorite colors, and you will be able to shop more from Varamahalakshmi Silks at Weaver's prices, which are valid only for 24 hours. Moving on to next sari now. This one is a beautiful bottle green with pink color, Kadi Georgette sari, and on the body we have floral buttees in zari. The floral buttees are in silver zari on the green color body. They look very subtle yet very elegant. And here's the border in pink color, which has zigzag lines. We have diamonds, florals and leaves jal, and again we have zigzag lines in silver zari. Let's have a look at the pallu, a contrasting pink pallu which has beautiful brocade work over it. So we have florals in silver zari, and here's the lovely contrasting blouse too. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ314. Weaver's price is 8,800. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to next beautiful sari, let me wish a very good morning to our very dear customer, Miss Ragini ji, who is also here to enjoy the live episode. I'm so glad to have you here with us, and please make sure you're staying tuned till the end of this episode because I have many such lovely saris to show to you. Moving on to next gorgeous sari from today's episode of Bandhani and Kadi Georgette saris. Let's have a look at it. So this gorgeous Kadi Georgette sari is in multicolor. So we have a peach color, orange color and pink color on the body. And we have florals and curvy checks in gold zari. Here's the border, which is in pink and orange color, and we have floral jal and diamonds over it. And here's the pallu, which has florals and leaves jal. It's a beautiful contrasting pallu and a very beautiful contrasting blouse too. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ315. Weaver's price is 10,912, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Our next gorgeous sari is for a very gorgeous customer, Miss Paramita ji, and this one is in green color as you want it. It's a lovely bandhani sari, and I will show you many more options. But this one is very pretty because it's very lightweight as well. So let's have a look at the details. On the body we have bandhani dots. The body is in green color. And here's the border, which has florals and paisleys with zigzag lines. All this gorgeous detailing and all this beautiful work is in champagne gold zari. And here's the pallu, which has zari lines over it. Let me now show you the lovely contrasting blouse for this beautiful bandhani sari. And to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ320. Weaver's prices 8,160. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Let's move on to next very bright and beautiful sari to brighten up your day, and it's a multicolor Banasi Georgette sari. Lovely Kadi Georgette. Look at all the lovely colors on this sari, very bright and very beautiful. On the body of this one we have zigzag lines in various colors such as yellow, pink, green, blue, and we have zigzag lines with champagne gold zari also. The border has floral jal and diamonds, and here is the pallu, which has floral brocade work over it. It's beautiful champagne gold zari work on the pallu also. We have a lovely contrasting blouse in sea green color for his beautiful multicolor sari, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ313, weaver's price is 10,824 and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now before moving on to the next gorgeous sari ladies, I will be showing you the beautiful jewelry that I'm wearing. So let's have a look at this lovely necklace that I'm wearing. It's by Shreyas Jewellers. And the beautiful bangle as well. They are our jewelry partners and they have 2 stores. One is in Madhapur, Hyderabad, India. Another one is in the USA. Please do check out the jewelry because they have some amazing collections for you guys. Let me now show you next lovely sari, and this one is a beautiful sari from the Bandhani collection. This one is a wine with pink color Bandhani sari where on the body we have Bandhani dots and floral buttis in gold zari. And here's the border which has floral jal with cross lines. We also have temples in gold zari. And here's the pallu which has Patani style work over it. So on the gold zari kadi we have beautiful florals in multicolored thread work. Let me now show you the beautiful contrasting blouse in bright pink color for this lovely wine sari, and to place an order please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ331. Weaver's price is 8,800 rupees and you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Let me now show you a next gorgeous sari, and this one is the Kadi Georgette sari in blue color. Before that, let me just tell you ladies that please make sure you are liking, following and subscribing to us on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube, because every day we come up with amazing new collections and amazing weavers prices just for you. When you follow us, you stay updated about current trends and fashion, and when you wear saris from Varamahalakshmi Silks, you become the fashion icon of every function that you attend. Moving on to next gorgeous sari now. This one is a beautiful blue, green and pink color Kadi Georgette sari. On the body we have floral buttis in zari, that's gold zari work. And the beautiful border has peacocks with florals and leaves jal in gold zari. On the pink side we have zigzag lines and dollars and boxes in gold zari again. Let me now show you the pallu which has floral brocade work over it. It's a lovely contrasting pallu. And we have a very lovely contrasting blouse in pink color too. To place an order please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ326. Weaver's price is 9,152 and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. चलिए देखते हैं हमारी आज की नेक्स्ट ब्यूटीफुल साड़ी, एंड ये साड़ी है पिंक कलर में एंड ये है बंधनी साड़ी. पिंक एंड मजेंटा कलर बंधनी साड़ी है एंड इसके ऊपर है बंधनी डॉट्स. एंड बॉर्डर जो मजेंटा कलर में है, ऑन दैट वी हैव पेजलीज एंड पेजलीज के अंदर फ्लोरल डिटेलिंग है गोल्ड जरी में. यहाँ पे आप जिगजैग लाइंस भी देख सकते हैं. एंड देन वी हैव स्मॉल पोलकास इन लाइंस अगेन इन गोल्ड जरी. पल्लू के ऊपर है जरी लाइंस इन गोल्ड एंड बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग ब्लाउज इन मजेंटा कलर. टू प्लेस इन ऑर्डर फॉर दिस लवली साड़ी ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज just take a screenshot आइटम कोड के साथ जो है BZ330. वीवर्स प्राइस इज 8,160 and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to next lovely साड़ी ना. चलिए देखते हैं हमारी आज की नेक्स्ट साड़ी, अ ब्यूटीफुल बंधनी साड़ी अगेन. It's a beautiful Georgette sari and on the body we have florals and bandhani dots and cross checks. That's gold zari work all over the body. and the border has diamonds, and then we have florals in geometrical boxes in gold zari. Here's the pallu, which has florals and bandhani dots over it. Very colorful work is there, and the sari has a lovely self blouse which has bandhani florals all over it. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ325. Weaver's price is 11,792, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now, before moving on to next beautiful sari, let me just answer a query by a very dear customer, Ms. Barmata ji. So, you want to see a bandhani sari in beige color, but since we do not have the specific color in that collection, all you have to do is take an appointment from Varamahalakshmi Silks, and then our executives will give you a video call at your time of convenience and show you the sari in the color and price range that you want. You can directly place the order on the video calling, and we will deliver your saris to you in no time. Let me now show you next lovely sari. This one is a bandhani sari in georgette fabric in pink color, and on the body we have florals and bandhani dots. Here's the lovely border which has florals and diamonds over it, and beautiful pallu which has florals and bandhani dots. Let me now show you the lovely self blouse for this very lovely pink sari, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ327. Weaver's price is 11,600. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next sari, ladies, let me know what more colors you want to see in bandhani and kadi georgette saris. Also, let me know which saris are you liking more. Do you like the bandhani style or do you like the kadi georgette style? That way, I will be able to understand your likings and show you more of your favorites very soon. Moving on to the next sari now. Wow, what a beautiful color. It's a lovely blush pink color, kadi georgette sari, and on the body we have floral buttis in gold zari. Such a pretty sari, one of my favorite color. And on the border we have leaf jal in gold zari. Let me now show you the pallu, which has floral brocade work over it in gold zari again, and a very beautiful contrasting blouse which is in a beautiful rosy pink color. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ317. Weaver's price is 16,104, and you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. हमारी नेक्स्ट साड़ी है ब्यूटीफुल बंधनी साड़ी, एंड दिस वन इज इन बॉटल ग्रीन कलर. देखते हैं डिटेल्स इस ब्यूटीफुल साड़ी की. On the body, we have peacocks and bandhani dots in checks. You can see the peacocks are in gold zari with lovely colorful detailing in thread work. And border के ऊपर है floral buttis in gold zari again with thread work detailing. Colorful work is there. Here is the pallu which has leaf buttis and bandhani dots over it. And a very beautiful self blouse with bandhani florals on it. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BV721. Weaver's price is 11,792. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Our next sari is for a very dear customer, Miss Abhilasha ji. And I'm so glad that you are back. So let me show you this red color beautiful bandhani sari. And this one is the perfect sari for you. Let's have a look at the details right away. On the body of this gorgeous red color sari, we have bandhani florals and floral buttis in zari checks. Beautiful gold zari work is there. And here is the border which has floral jal over it with diamonds in gold zari. Let me show you the pallu, which has floral buttis with bandhani dots. In cross checks again. And a very beautiful self blouse which has bandhani florals over it. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BV797. Weaver's price is 11,600. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Let's move on to next beautiful saree, and this one is for a very dear customer. Let's have a look at the details first. So Miss Neha ji, you can consider this lovely saree. Miss Neela ji, this one is a baby pink color Kadi Georgette saree. I will show you more options, but for now please do keep this one also in mind. On the body we have zari checks in gold zari with small boxes, colorful boxes in orange and pink color. And the border here is in orange and pink color. We have florals and leaf shawl and diamonds in gold zari. Here is the pallu, which has florals and leaves over it. And a very beautiful self blouse, because this saree is so pretty and in lovely so in itself. To place an order for this one, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ311. Weaver's prices 10,912. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Let's now move on to next gorgeous saree, and this one is a beautiful bandhani saree. Such a lovely color combination, don't you think, ladies? It's in magenta and pink color, and on the body we have bandhani dots. And here's the beautiful baby pink border, which has temples, dollars in boxes, florals and leaf shawl, and then paisleys and cross checks and gold zari. Let me now show you the pallu, which has zari lines all over it. And a beautiful contrasting blouse in baby pink color. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ323. Weaver's price is 8,160. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to next beautiful saree. This one is also a gorgeous bandhani saree. This one is in mustard with green color. A very beautiful color combination. On the body of this one, we have bandhani dots. And the border in green color has floral and paisley buttis with zigzag lines. Here's the pallu, which has zari lines over it in gold zari again. And let me also show you the contrasting blouse in green color. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ329. Weaver's price is 8,160. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to next beautiful saree now, and this one is going to be a bandhani saree and georgette. Let's have a look at the lovely saree right away. Such a lovely color combination. This one is a wine with pink color saree, and on the body we have florals, elephants, peacocks and bandhani dots in checks. The checks are in gold zari with threadwork detailing in blue color, and you can see all the work on the body is very colorful. The border has florals and elephants and lions in kadi. There is gold zari kadi. And a beautiful pallu which has peacocks and lions and florals and kadi again. Let me show you the lovely contrasting blouse for the saree, which has bandhani florals over it. And to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ322. Weaver's prices 21,560. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Now before moving on to the next saree, ladies, let me just show the beautiful jewelry that I'm wearing. Have a look at this lovely pearl mala that I'm wearing, and it's by Shreya's Jewelers. And the beautiful bangles too in gold and diamond. And this very lovely jewelry is by Shreya's Jewelers. They are a jewelry partner and they have two stores. One is at Madhapur, Hyderabad. Another one is in the USA. Please do check out the collection because they have some amazing designs, amazing offers too for all the beautiful ladies. Now lovely ladies, I will be showing you the details of this gorgeous sari that personally I love a lot. So let's have a look at this wine and pink color Bandhani sari. Here I am, gorgeous lady, showing you a very beautiful sari in aquamarine blue color. So on the body of this color we have florals and leaves jal with peacocks and zari. We have champagne gold with silver zari work, and there are birds also. The border has florals and leaves jal with birds, again in gold and silver zari. And let me now show you the pallu. It has floral buttis with peacocks over it. Here's the beautiful self blouse for this very beautiful sari, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BO640. Weaver's price is 11,600. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Our next sari is also a Kadi Georgette sari, another very lovely color combination coming up for all the lovely ladies. So let's have a look at it right away. Here it is. Moving on to the details. This one is a wine with blue color sari, and on the body we have floral buttis in zari. The floral buttis are in gold zari, and the border in blue color has florals and diamonds, florals and leaves jal, and cross lines in gold zari. Here's the pallu, which has cross lines over it, again in gold zari. And let me now show you the lovely contrasting blouse for the very lovely sari. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ310. Weaver's price is 5,520. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So dear ladies, I hope you are enjoying today's episode about Bandhani saris and Kadi Georgette saris. As you can see, these saris look so unique and they have such beautiful designs, and they are in amazing colors too. Please make sure you are placing your orders right away for these beautiful saris, because the Weaver's prices, they are valid only for 24 hours. Moving on to the next sari now. Coming up is a lovely Kadi Georgette sari in such a beautiful color combination, very elegant one. Let's have a look at the details. This one is in grey and lilac color, and on the body we have florals and leaves jal in zari. Champagne gold zari work looking extremely beautiful on the grey color body, and the border has florals and leaves jal, zari boxes and lines, temples in gold zari, and on the lilac color we have diamonds in champagne gold zari. Let me now show you the pallu for the sari, which has diamond brocade work over it. And a very pretty self blouse, because the color and the design is so lovely too. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BO607. Weaver's price is 11,680. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to next lovely sari. This one is a beautiful and classic blue with green color Kadi Georgette sari. On the body we have zari lines and curvy lines, and we have zigzag lines in gold zari. And here's the border in green color which has florals in vases, and then we have small polkas in diamonds and gold zari. Let me now show you the contrasting pallu which has floral brocade work over it in gold zari again. And the sari has a very beautiful contrasting blouse in green color. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is Z206. Weaver's price is 8,640. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next sari, let me just thank our very dear customer, very lovely customer, Miss Anupriya ji, who is here to enjoy the episode and also loves the saris that I am showing today. Thank you so much for being here, and thank you so much for your lovely compliments. Please stay tuned till the end of this episode because I have many more beautiful saris to show to you. Moving on to the next one now. Here's such a beautiful sari, and we have zari lines all over the peach color sari. It's a multicolor sari, so we have orange and pink color lines too. And the border has florals and leaves with zari lines. We also have temples on the edge. And here is the pallu which has floral buttis in kadi. Let's have a look at the self blouse for this very gorgeous sari, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ316. Weaver's price is 12,848. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. We will be now moving on to the next lovely sari. This one is a multicolor sari, and it's a kadi georgette sari. So on this one, we have zigzag lines in zari, beautiful gold zari zigzag lines and colorful lines in orange, green, pink, yellow, blue colors. The border has floral jal with diamonds and champagne gold zari. And let me now show you the pallu which has brocade work all over it. The sari has a very beautiful contrasting blouse, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ312. Weaver's price is 10,824, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. And now moving on to next sari, which is for a very dear customer, Miss Abhilasha ji, since you wanted to see a maroon sari also in bandhani. So here I have one more option for you, and I know, right, that all the saris are so beautiful and it's very difficult to choose one, so why not choose more since we have these saris on Weaver's prices. So this gorgeous sari has florals and bandhani dots in zari checks. The zari checks are in gold zari, and bandhani dots are very colorful. Very intricate work is there if you see that these bandhani dots are so minute, so little. It's a borderless sari, and our pallu has kadi with cows and trees. It's beautiful printed work. So this one has been digitally printed. The contrasting blouse in grey color also has florals on it that have been printed over it, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BV807. Weaver's price is 12,848. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next sari, let me just say hi, hello and namaste to our very dear customer, Miss Falguni ji, who is here to enjoy the episode and shop more and more from Varamahalakshmi Silks. I welcome you and I ask you to buy more and more because today's collection is going to be so exciting, and since you have joined us now, please make sure to rewind and watch it since the beginning once these videos are saved on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube. Let me now show you the next sari, and you will definitely love the color combination, Miss Falguni ji. It's in bright green color and purple color, and on the body we have bandhani dots. The border in purple color has floral jal with paisleys and temples. And here's the pallu, which has zari lines over it. Let's have a look at the contrasting blouse in purple color, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ332. Weaver's price is 8,160. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now we will be moving on to next sari, and that one is a beautiful classic in red and blue color. A beautiful bandhani sari for all the beautiful ladies. This one has bandhani dots in geometrical floral jal checks. The floral jal checks are in gold zari. The border in red color has diamonds, cross lines and florals and leaves jal in gold zari again. Let me now show you the pallu, which has floral buttis and bandhani dots. It's a contrasting pallu in red color with gorgeous work all over it, and a very gorgeous contrasting blouse which has bandhani florals on it. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BV756. Weaver's price is 8,800. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to next beautiful sari. This one is also a very lovely bandhani sari. Beautiful color, very lovely, unique color. Let's have a look at the details. On the body, we have zari checks in gold zari. Body is in light mehendi green color, and inside the zari checks, we have bandhani dots creating beautiful designs. It's a lovely borderless sari, and the pallu has human motifs and florals digitally printed over it. Very bright and lovely work is there. Let me now show you the contrasting blouse for this sari that is also digitally printed, and it's very beautiful too. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ333. Weaver's price is 12,848. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next sari, let me just ask you ladies that I hope you are enjoying today's episode, the lovely episode about bandhani saris and Kadi Georgette saris. As you can already see, these saris are in various price ranges. They are in so many beautiful designs and lovely vibrant colors too. Also, let me know your favorite colors. That way I will be able to show you more of your favorites in our upcoming episodes also, and we can have a little chat too. Moving on to next sari now. Here's a very beautiful sari. This one is a lovely wine color sari, and on the body we have bandhani dots and florals in cross checks. The florals are very geometrical, and this beautiful work is in gold zari. The border has diamonds and florals jal in gold zari. And our pallu has florals in curvy checks. This one is also gold zari work. Our beautiful self blouse has bandhani florals on it, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BV804. Weaver's price is 11,600. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next sari, let me just say a very heartfelt thank to our very dear customer, Miss Neela ji, who's enjoying the episode, loving the collection. I agree with you, today's collection is very unique and it's very exciting also. Every time you're thinking next sari is a Kadi Georgette sari or is it a bandhani sari, and these saris are in so vibrant colors also. Please stay tuned till the end of this episode because I have many more exciting saris to show to you so that you can shop more and more from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Moving on to next one. This one is a very unique sari in a lovely color combination. This is orange with pink, and on the body we have florals and bandhani dots. And border in pink color has patola style design over it. We have temples, we have florals and diamonds, and gold zari kadi with zari lines in gold. Here is the pallu, which has florals and leaves over it. It's a lovely contrasting pallu in patola style design. And let me now show you the contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BV798. Weaver's price is 15,664. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next sari, let me just thank our very dear customer, Miss Kalyani ji, who's also showing her support, her appreciation for today's collection. Thank you so much for being here, and I hope you will stay tuned till the end to watch the beautiful episode and lovely collection of saris. Moving on to the next one now. A lovely sea green with wine color sari which has bandhani dots on the body, and border in wine color has florals and leaves with paisleys and temples in gold. Here's the pallu, which has zari lines over it. And a very beautiful contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ328, Weaver's price is 8,160. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next saree, let me just thank our very dear customer Ms. Shubhangi ji, who's also showing us a lot of love, lot of support. Thank you for being here and thank you for enjoying our live episode right now. Let me now show you a next lovely saree. This one is a beautiful grey color saree. Grey with magenta, looks so exciting, isn't it? Very elegant. And on the body we have bandhani dots. So as I told you, these bandhani dots have been created by pinching the fabric very tightly and then tying the knots around those dots. And then you dye the saree. So that's how you get the pattern where this area has not been dyed. It's very unique style. It's very tedious. It's very difficult job. That's why these sarees are very unique. Here's the border in magenta color, which has florals and leaves with paisleys in gold zari. And a beautiful pallu which has zari lines over it. The saree has such a gorgeous contrasting blouse in magenta color, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is VZ324. Weaver's price is 8,160. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to next lovely saree. This one is in navy blue color. And on the body we have florals and leaves jal with bandhani dots. All the work on the body is in gold zari. And on the border we have florals and leaves with paisleys. We also have diamonds, and all this gorgeous work is in gold zari. Let me now show you the pallu, which has zari lines over it. And the saree also has a lovely self blouse with bandhani florals over it. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is I will just share the details right away, but let's first have a beautiful look at the lovely saree. A very beautiful navy blue color bandhani saree, and to place the order, all you have to do is take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Moving on to next lovely saree now. Here comes another beautiful saree, and this one is also a bandhani on georgette. On this beautiful sage green saree, we have geometrical florals and cross checks with bandhani dots. Gorgeous work is there on the body, and the border in peachy pink color has floral jal and small triangles. We also have cross lines there. Let me now show you the pallu, which has floral buttis and bandhani dots over it. And such a beautiful contrasting blouse in pink color, which has bandhani florals all over it. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BV763. Weaver's price is 11,792. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Let's move on to next gorgeous saree, and this one is a very beautiful midnight blue color saree from the bandhani collection. Don't you just love the color, ladies? I totally love this saree so much. On the body we have zari checks in gold zari with bandhani dots inside them, creating a lovely pattern, a very beautiful design. It's a borderless saree, giving it a very fresh look, very unique look, and the pallu has florals and cows. It's a contrasting pallu in maroon color, which has digital printed work over it. We also have small tassels, as you can see, and a beautiful contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ334. Weaver's price is 12,848. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. So let me just answer a query by a very dear customer, Miss Indu. So yes, we do provide cash and delivery option, but only in Hyderabad, and we ship all over the world. Also, a very heartfelt thanks to Miss Abhilasha ji for the lovely compliment that you just gave. Thank you so much. I also love all the beautiful sarees that I wear from Varamahalakshmi Silks every single day. So dear ladies, now that we are done with these lovely sarees, I will be showing you the sarees on the mannequin so that you can have a look and you can understand how gorgeous you will look when you wear these beautiful sarees with a beautiful smile. Moving on to the first one, this one is a Kari Georgette saree in multicolor. And on the body we have cross lines in champagne gold zari and pastel colors too. The border has zigzag lines over it and the pallu has brocade work on it, so we have geometrical shapes in gold zari. There's a contrasting blouse for this saree, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is V402. Weaver's prices 12,480. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Such a classy saree, ladies. This one is a beautiful Kari Georgette saree in black color, and on the body we have florals and leaves jal in zari. This is beautiful gold zari work with colorful detailing in the florals and the leaves. The border has zigzag lines and leaves jal over it in gold zari, and the pallu has zigzag lines on it in gold again. There's a lovely self blouse because as you can see, the saree is so classy in itself, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ318. Weaver's price is 8,640, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next saree, ladies, let's take blessings from the Divine Goddess. And now I will be showing you the next bright and lovely saree from Kari Georgette collection. This one is a yellow with pink color saree, and on the body we have floral buttees and paisleys buttees in gold zari. Our border has paisleys and florals with diamonds again in gold, and a lovely pallu which has florals and leaves over it. There's a contrasting blouse in pink color, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ319. Weaver's price is 10,120. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. And now we are moving on to the last saree for today's episode, and a very beautiful bandhani saree. This one has zari checks on the body in gold, and inside them we have florals and bandhani dots. The magenta color contrasting border has floral jal with cross lines, and the beautiful pallu has floral buttees over it. There's a contrasting blouse in magenta color again, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BZ335. Weaver's price is 7,480. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Dear beautiful ladies, I hope you had a very good time enjoying today's live episode, and I hope you enjoyed with your friends and family too. These beautiful sarees from Bandhani and Kari Georgette sarees collection are extremely unique. They are in such vibrant colors and various design and price ranges too. I hope you are placing your orders right away because the weavers' prices are valid only for 24 hours. We will be back tomorrow with another exciting episode. Until then, stay safe, keep shopping from Varamahalakshmi Silks, and keep showing your love and support too. Namaskaram.